Hey, I'm Matt Moret with the Pennsylvania Game Commission. We are at the best time of the year, in my opinion. We're just on the verge of turkey season. You know, winter's finally coming to an end. Daylight hours are getting longer. Turkeys are starting to gobble, and it's in everybody's brain. But we're going to take a little bit of time. You know, there's so much information out there nowadays, and here at the Game Commission, we really want to think about new turkey hunters at this little project. And we're going to take a little time to dissect the mouth call or the diaphragm call. And if you have any interest or if you're having trouble, maybe we can give you a couple little tips to help you get better. But basically, the mouth call, one of the reasons that it's so good is because it's in your mouth and you're not utilizing your hands. But the other thing is it takes a lot of practice, and now's the time to get practicing. But you know, basically, it's an aluminum frame with latex that's stretched in that frame. And everybody kind of has, if you go to the store and look, there's hundreds of different types of cuts in that call. The more cuts in that call, the raspier, more gravelly it usually sounds. As a rule of thumb, the more reeds that are in that call, it takes more air pressure. But basically, you get that call in the roof of your mouth and you get a comfortable fit. If you're brand new, it's going to feel weird. You might even gag. And if that's the case, little by little, you want to take a sliver of tape around the edge. That tape's to develop a seal in the roof of your mouth. So what you do is you get in the roof of your mouth, get that seal, and you lay your tongue across the latex. The way that I do it, my personal style, is I use kind of the middle of my tongue. Some people use the tip. That's going to vibrate a lot, but that's what you're doing. You're bringing air from your own diaphragm and bringing it across your tongue. And you just want to try to get a sound at first. You know, you get it up there, get it fit. You just want to get some sort of sound. If this is the first time you're using one, you get a sound, you got it whipped, because a lot of people, it takes, quite a long time. But again, in today's world, with the information that's out there, it's a little bit easier. But, get that sound, and then you want to practice holding a note, high, low, whatever. And we're going to get into this a little bit deeper. The harder you push your tongue up there, the higher the note. And a turkey, basis of all turkey communication is the yelp. And the yelp is a two-note process, a high and a low. And we're gonna do this real quick. Basically, I'm putting a lot of pressure up and dropping my jaw to go high to low. Once you get that yelp, you got the basis of all turkey language.